In this tutorial in Microsoft Word, I'd like to show you how to insert a cover page into a longer document and how to use a feature called the watermark. Now, why would a cover page be helpful? Well, oftentimes when we simply insert a raw page at the beginning of our document, it will mess up with our page numbers. Now, there's a way to go around that by making sure that the first page does not have a page footer on it or page header on it, and you can change the numbering of another page to start on page 2 or 3 or 1. But let me show you a much easier way. I'm going to click on the Insert tab above my ribbon and then click on Cover Page. There are several templates that are already built into Microsoft Word, and I can use any one of these, or I can look for one at office.com. So I'll just pick one here and click on it. And then this one allows me to type in the boxes, the information I want. I can put company name, and I can put the document title and the subtitle if I want to. And I'm hitting the Tab key to move from one field to the other. The author's name, and the date. And when you come to the date field, you can just pick a date off the calendar, whatever you like to do. And then I have it. But notice what the cover page is. My first page in my document, slightly different, but it did not affect my page numbers, which is a very nice thing. If I want to remove the cover page, all I do is click on Cover Page off the Insert menu, and then click on Remove Cover Page, and it's gone. Another option you have on documents that sometimes you want to circulate or get feedback on is you want them to sometimes look as though they're not the final copy or that they have something else. I'm going to click on the Design tab and click down here on Watermark. I cannot move this window over, but there are 7 watermarks that are in the default. One is confidential 1, one is confidential 2, 2 different do not copy, 2 drafts, and 1 sample. Let me click on the draft one for now. And if you notice, I have this grayscale draft beneath every page of the text. I can also change the watermark again. I can do remove watermark, and that unfortunately that was off my recording screen, but it's on this drop-down menu. And you can make a custom watermark. To do that, all you have to do is you can put a picture or you can put text. And an example here would be an ASAP. Let me do a text watermark. Let's say we want to say made in the USA. And we can control the shade of gray or a different color if we want. We'll use something really garish here. We can change the size of the font if we want, or make it automatic. I'll leave it on auto. And okay, let me just go ahead and we can choose semi-transparent or not, diagonal or horizontal. I'll go horizontal. I'll click on Apply. And now I have my Made in the USA, I'll close it now, as my custom watermark on every page in my document.
Word makes it a snap to add a cover page or watermark to your document. I'm Jim from the Sharper Turtle. If these tutorials are useful to you, we'd like to ask you to like us and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up with new releases as we make them available to you. Thanks a lot.